So what I've done so far, for better for worse, it's quite fiddly, is hope you can see that. There's the attachment, that's your wiring. So that's got two spade fittings, and that obviously slots into the back, what I'll hopefully show you in a minute. And then got my hand in, and this boot goes on. That says top, that's handy. Right, and now the next thing, I think it's a twist, I'm still guessing, but I have to reach down here, see what I can feel now. Sorry about the view, I can't really show you any more than that. Oh, this feels fucking fiddly. So, honestly, it's not as easy as some YouTubers make out. That's why I've never seen a video doing this before. I can't see in that. I can just feel the two ends of the spades that plugged into the loom. Right, so I'm going to rave about and tug. I'll be back soon. So finally, we have the headlight out. I'd just like to say that was an absolute pain. So what you've got, as I have seen in another video, is this little adapter thing. So that, let me show you. There's the bulb. So that bulb sits in that. So the setup is, so that, so I'll do this back to front, goes in there like that, and then it all goes in this boot. Well, I think you go like that, and then you stick the boot on, or that way around, which is going to be an absolute pain in the ass. That was a tricky job, I don't mind telling you. Just doing it like that, because literally you can only just get your hand in there, and you can't get any purchase on anything. That was tricky. I hope I haven't bent anything in there. That was tricky. But yeah, that's the new bulb. That's the next bit. I'm going to do it though. I kind of have to. I'm committed now. The old one's out, but you can't get anything. I tried them. You can't get them in. Just to get any sort of twist, because I think I'm looking at this. You've kind of got to twist it till it finds its hole, and then obviously comes out. But when you're in there, you can't see what you're working with. So you just have to just keep twizzling it until it releases itself. That was a pig of a job. Anyway, I'm going to try and put it all back together again now with a new bulb. Okay, I think I'll have a quick break first. Bye for now. So there you have it. One Honda Silver Wing. Quick test. Boo! One headlight. That was an absolute pain. That was an absolute pain. Doable, but a pain. So what I can recommend, is get someone else to do it, is, so got to remember there's an adapter on there. So first unhook the wiring loom, then pull the rubber boot off, then pull, which was quite a pull, the adapter, then carefully take the bulb out. Then what I did was hook the adapter up to the bulb, push the bulb in. Then there's the clip that you probably can't, oh, you won't be able to see, but it is hooked up behind the bulb. Probably can't see that. That hook kind of holds the bulb, well, it holds the bulb in place. Then you put the rubber boot back on. Then you finally hook the wiring loom. I'm just going to check that's all held, because I don't want to set off down the road and it fall off. I think I'll burst into tears. So I'm not going to put it back together because I want to fix this, is the next job that somebody's bodged. So I'll have to clean all that off and then put that back together. It's probably someone being a bit impatient and then trying to change a headlight maybe. Why'd I have to make it so difficult? I know some cars are a pain in the ass. Excuse my French. But yeah, that was I think just because you've only got very limited hands and you just have to sort of feel what you're doing. But yay! I shouldn't do that too often. Blow up and yeah, that'll be it. Hang from the rafters. I guess that saved me a few quid. The bulb's £6 and it's cost me, I don't know what time it is now, 4 o'clock. I don't know what time I came in. I don't know, it's maybe been, I have been having cups of tea and stuff. It's maybe take me an hour and a half altogether maybe. It's quite a long time to change a bulb. And I really, really wouldn't like to do that by the side of the motorway in the middle of the night. Just right back on full beam like I did, which you will get flashed at quite a lot, but you need to make sure people on the motorway can see you. So I say that one should be a bit easier because I can feel the boot, I can feel the connector there, but you still, I mean, you could climb underneath and pretty much see what you're doing. Whereas this one, unless you take all this off, is a bit, it's doable because I've done it and I'm no mechanic by any stretch. I sort of oil and filter. That's about as far as I go normally. But I thought, how hard is it to change a light bulb? That hard. I did time lapse, but thankfully time lapses on silent, so you didn't hear me cursing, which is great. Right. I hope you got something for that and decide to get a mechanic to do it maybe. It's worth a go. It's worth a go. It is frustrating, but it's worth a go. Okay. Bye bye.